Tech tricks, no trips. I'm Linda. If you're looking to create a website and localize it for your target audience, Microsoft Copilot can be a powerful tool to streamline the process. Imagine you're launching a new fizzy drink like Pepsi called Maha, and you need to create content in both Arabic and English. With Copilot integrated into Microsoft products like Office 365, you can easily translate your web content, documents, and marketing materials with high accuracy. Beyond text, Copilot can also help generate images based on your prompts, ensuring your visuals resonate with your audience. For instance, if you're marketing Maha in Jordan, you could prompt Copilot to generate images featuring Petra, one of the 7 wonders of the world, to align with your local campaign and make a stronger connection with your audience. Copilot makes it simple to craft both the content and visuals you need to localize your website, ensuring a seamless experience that reflects your brand's identity. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.